Hi everyone, it's Miss Sote. So for today's calculator tutorial, you're actually going to have two steps involved. You're going to watch this video and then you're also going to read a quick article. And the reason for that is because our video today is about error messages. And so there's a ton of different types of errors that could happen when you're using your calculator. I'm going to show you how to deal with an error message, and then you'll read an article about a bunch of different types of error messages. So I'll show you the steps that you need to take in order to solve one type of error, and you can use similar steps in order to solve the other ones in the article. So let's get started. I think a common error that a lot of you dealt with at the beginning of this year is when we were graphing. So I'm going to go straight to the y equals button over here. And a lot of you began the year by using this button, the subtraction button, as your negative sign. But as we've talked about, this is the negative sign, this is the subtraction button. But maybe you're in a rush and you forget and you accidentally want to graph negative 2x, but you put minus 2x. You click that button instead of this button. When you click enter, nothing's going to cause an issue immediately. But when you try and graph this, you're going to immediately get a syntax error. And so there are two options that you can do. Option one, which is the one it has highlighted already, is to just quit. And if you click the button 1, or since it's highlighted over 1, if you just click enter, it's just going to take you back to your home screen where you can do normal calculations. But if you're trying to graph negative 2x and you want to see what you did wrong, click graph, and when the error button pops up, use either the down arrow to get to 2, or just click the button 2, and then click enter. And it's going to take you to exactly where your error popped up. So it's actually going to highlight the one thing that caused the error. So if you look, it's hovering over this symbol. So using my logical thoughts, I can be like, oh heck, I put this instead of this. You just fix the error, click enter, and now it will graph correctly. Another error that you might see a lot is if you have your window set to something really weird, if your graph won't show up on your window, it'll cause an error. When you click the Go To button, it'll just take you to your window. So make sure to read that article that I attached. Make sure to look through some of the other problems that might pop up. But now you at least know the steps needed to help fix an error. If you do have an error that you still can't fix even after this video, just let me know and I'll gladly help. Have a good day.